One prompt, a 15-second commercial-grade ad. That's what you just watched. Same characters, consistent physics, perfectly timed. Most AI video tools make 5-second clips where characters morph into completely different people. This is what happens when you use an agent instead of a generator. Here's the problem. Normally, you'd need 3 different tools, manual stitching, hours of trial and error. But I just came across a tool called Pollo.ai, and I tried using the Pollo Agent 2.0. The results are mind-blowing.
Get it done.
This video you're seeing was made from just one single prompt, and I'm about to show you exactly what that means. Hit like if you want more AI tools like this. Now let's build this. I'm going to Pollo.ai and signing in. On this dashboard, you can see that the agent uses some of the best AI generators all in one place. Next, I'm clicking Script to Video Ads. So now we need a script. Getting the video ad script is actually pretty easy. As you can see, there are templates for video ads already built in. So here's what I did. I picked one of the templates, copied the prompt, pasted it into ChatGPT. The template was in another language, so first I asked ChatGPT to translate it to English. Then I asked it to use the same format and generate it from my own idea instead. Now, back to Pollo.ai. Since I want to do a product ad, I went on Pinterest to download 2 images of the product. I'm uploading the Red Bull can. I'm uploading character assets, male astronaut, female astronaut. I generated them inside ChatGPT. Now I'm pasting in my script. Now watch what the agent does. It's not generating immediately, it's planning. It's breaking down the script into shots, scene structure, character movements, pacing, and music mood. Now it's generating keyframes, locking character consistency before animating. Look at this quality. Concept art level. 3 minutes later, that's one script. No manual stitching, no character morphing. The agent planned and executed an entire production. What I just showed you was a commercial, but Pollo has another feature that's even more powerful. Story mode.
Get it done.
Station, I need you to confirm the seismic sensor arrays.
Let me show you how I made this video from one single prompt. I'm clicking Story Mode in the dashboard. Now there are templates you can modify. I'm pasting a story template and modifying it. I took it to ChatGPT, pasted it in, and asked it to give me a new story in that same format. It gave me this. Then I copied and pasted it into the Pollo.ai agent. This time, I didn't add any image references. Hit Send. Now watch what it does. It asked for 2 things, the duration I want the video to be and the aspect ratio. It's breaking this into story beats automatically. The agent is generating visuals for each beat. Cinematic, cold ice palette, deep red planet glow. This is not a video, this is cinema. 1 minute later.
Station has 6 hours for backup cells drain.
So I thought, how about we do something more action-packed, like an alien invasion on Earth, or the last human on an alien planet trying to escape into a spaceship that will bring him back to Earth. And it gave me 2 stories. I picked one. Now see for yourself.
Landing gear. Hit the landing gear! 10 seconds is enough.
That's cinema. Real cinema. I feel like a Hollywood director right now. This is what makes Pollo different from a typical AI video generator. Speaking about brands, when it comes to marketing, most brands have one problem. They have the product, they have ideas, but they don't have the creator budget. Pollo has UGC video ads. I'm clicking UGC video ads. I'm uploading a product. premium skincare brand. I'm uploading an AI creator. Now watch. It's analyzing the creator's energy, the product, and the brand fit. It gives me 3 variations. Generating, same creator, different angles, different emotional hooks.
3 reasons this serum is everything. 3 reasons this serum is everything. 1. That gorgeous amber glass and gold dropper, pure luxury. 2. This golden formula feels so rich on skin. 3. Just a few drops is all you need. My skin has never looked better.
And normally, creating multiple versions like this means paying creators, briefing them, waiting for the footage, and then editing everything together. Here, the agent handles the production for you. So instead of spending hours coordinating different tools and creators, you can generate multiple concepts from the same product.
Now let's talk about what it costs to create this kind of content with Pollo.ai. The professional plan is $25 per month, or you can get 10,000 credits for $200 as a one-time purchase. And considering everything we just created, from the commercial to the cinematic story and the UGC variations, that gives you a lot of room to experiment with different projects. The real value here isn't just generating a video, it's having one agent handle the process that would normally require multiple tools, multiple prompts, and a lot of manual work. Link in the description. Drop a comment. What product would you create first? Subscribe for more AI tools that actually make money. Join the Telegram for daily tools before they hit YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.